I am back for another hair tutorial. Yes, I'm about to be on a roll. I have been missing for over a month and I am back for the slay. So today we're going to be curling hair. So I picked up a new curling iron. This one may be new to me, but I'm pretty sure it's not new to you guys. This one is from the brand Ion and I thought it was really cool. I wanted a big barrel curling iron that I can make some really cool and sexy curls with. So I paired this with my hair from Dolago. Dolago sent over this gorgeous 250% density straight wig. It's 20 inches long. It's 13 by 6. I decided to do a little bit of a curved parting just for something different, and I think it came out super nice. What do you guys think? I got some natural curls going on. Really didn't use too much product, just a little bit of serum. But of course, if you want your curls to be a little bit more tight, you can use the same technique, but do pin curls or use holding spray or something just to make the curls last a little bit longer. But they're going to last me over the next few days with a little bit of flexi rods. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Also, if you are interested in this hair or any of the hair from Dolago, they did hook your girl up with a coupon code. It is Ashley10. You can enter it at checkout for a little bit of money off when you purchase. Also, before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Other than that, let's jump into the video. What the wig looks like in its raw natural state. This is 20-inch Brazilian straight hair. I went ahead and bleached the knots off camera, and this is the way it looks. We're going for curve parting and, you know, a little baby hair today. So I went ahead and added foundation to my wig cap just because it does not match my skin tone. I also went ahead and added an elastic band off camera. This is what the wig looks like on. You guys can see this is the #1 reason people use the wig cap method and kind of make it into a bald cap. I've done that before on my channel and I'll link a tutorial down below because you guys can definitely see the demarcation of where the wig cap is. Another solution is just to make sure that the wig cap is exactly your skin tone, maybe even a shade darker so it just does not peek through. Otherwise, you're going to have this problem where you can see the wig cap, especially if your lace is tweezed and slayed for the gods. Now I went ahead and plucked the rest of the hairline off camera. If you guys want to skip straight to the curls, I start that at 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Here I am just perfecting my curve parting and slaying the hair before we start the curls. I went ahead and flat ironed the hair, made the baby hair. I didn't do like a silk hard press. I just wanted to make it straight so that the curls would be smooth and not too frizzy. Once my curls set, I kind of use the comb to kind of pull them apart so they just kind of lay naturally. I can definitely go ahead and thin out the sideburns, but I saved that for another day. And now on to the main attraction, the curls. I did the left side off camera, and that is kind of the smaller side since I have a deep side part. And now I'm going to work in 3 sections from bottom to top to go ahead and curl. I did use, I believe this is a Garnier Nutrice serum. I like this one because it's lightweight, it adds a little bit of shine, kind of cancels out any frizz, and you know, just helps the hair to look super bomb. Now, my mistake with this is that I did do big pieces. I am extremely impatient with curls. I am on a journey to perfect them, but at the same time, I'm so impatient that I never want to do small sections. So next time, I definitely will cut these sections that I'm using in half. Also, once the curls are done, these are going to just be more soft, natural, kind of beach wavy, sexy, flirty type of curls. They're not going to have a hold to them at all because we did not use spritz. I do recommend spritz and smaller sections for a nice tighter curl. I'll do that in the next tutorial so you can see. But here I went ahead and just went around each curl. I just kind of curled away from my face, rolled it up super nice, and then once the curl was achieved, I kind of just held the curling iron in place for about 15 seconds, and this is what I get. Again, use a pin at the end of the curl or to, you know, hold the curl up to set even longer if you want a better, more natural curl. And yeah, we're just going to work on it. This took me a while just because I was lollygagging. You guys don't see here, but I did take a couple of breaks. And then before I show you guys the final results, I'm definitely going to go ahead and beat my face. Now here we are, almost done. I just believe I have one more section at the top to do. One more curl and then I'll do the top section, and you guys will see how cute this hairstyle came out. Now this
curling iron is from Ion. I did pick it up from Sally's and it was, I want to say, around the 40 bucks range. Be sure if you go to Sally's, make sure that you are on their mail list and a part of their club so that you can get your coupons to get money off sent to you in your emails. Just a tip. And then also, did I mention this is 1 1/4? I think I did. Also, I honestly feel like the dirtier your hair is, the better the curls hold. I don't know if you'll understand that, but I kind of feel like if you wear your hair straight the first few days and kind of the natural oils from just the hair touching your body and just being in the elements collect, when you do your curls when the hair is old after you've done with your straight hair, they kind of hold a little bit better and are easier to achieve. That's just something that I used to do back in the day with my wraps. I would wear my hair in a wrap for a couple of days, and then once it went flat, I would curl it and the curls would hold amazing. Also, another great tip is to layer your hair. For more bombshell, like Victoria's Secret curls that are super full, I do recommend layering your hair, especially at the top when you're doing a side bang. Flexi rods are best for protective style of preserving the style overnight while you sleep, or you can just take your wig off if that is an option for you. I love when the curl up top is feathered, and you kind of get that by trimming it or cutting the hair into like a bang, and then you kind of do the same technique. I did touch the curls up off camera after I did my makeup because it took me about an hour to do my makeup and settle the kids before I was able to do the final results. But that's pretty much it. If you've made it this far, make sure you hit that thumbs up button because your girl is trying to get to 200,000 ASAP.
Okay, so this is how the curls came out. I'm kind of scared to let them go because you guys know I didn't use any holding spray, so I kind of feel like they're going to drop immediately. It took me way too long because I'm sitting here watching YouTube and catching up. Again, she did come from Dolago. This was the packaging that the wig came in. It came with an elastic band, and everything was packaged really nicely. They also give you their wig caps, and then you guys know that they private label their wig caps. So also, I bought these like months and months ago. I've had these since forever. So I think I'm going to simultaneously use both sizes tonight and see how that goes, and just wrap them away from my face and then put a scarf around the edges. I do have a coupon code for you guys, link down below. I believe it is Ashley10. Use that at checkout for a little bit of money off. Check the description bar for a list of everything that I use, including links to this bad boy right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.